Hello, champion. I am excited to welcome you to today's class. Hope you are fine and I hope you're ready for this class because we have a lot in store for you. So sit tight as we begin. Now, let's take a quick look at the instruction. The instruction says choose one word which is similar in meaning to the word written in capital letters. The example we have here is transparent. The word in capital letter is transparent. And now we are to find a word that has the same meaning or similar in meaning to the word transparent. And if you look at the options carefully, you find that clear was underlined. So clear is the only word that is similar in meaning amongst other words. Do you understand that? Okay. So now number one is pleasant. So we are going to look for a word that has the same meaning or similar meaning with pleasant. Now we have option A, suitable, we have cheerful, we have agreeable, we have careless, and just. Amongst these options, the only word that actually uh, fits the word pleasant is suitable. Now, when something is pleasant, that thing is suitable. Do you understand? It's not careless. Pleasant does not mean the same thing as careless, neither is it cheerful or just, nor agreeable. Suitable is the only word that is nearest in meaning. Alright, so let's see number two. Number two says prohibits. Now, which word among these options means prohibit? We have encourage, we have allow, we have advise, we have forbid, and we have forward. What does prohibit mean? Prohibit means to disallow, to forbid, to stop from happening. Do you understand? Okay, so now which of these options actually means prohibit? We have forbid. So that is our answer. Do you understand? So with this, you'll be able to answer the others, right? Good. So let's go to the next slide. The instruction says, select the pair of words that have the same relationship. So we are going to be pairing words that are related. Now we have an example, campaign, election. Without campaign, there will be no election. Do you understand? So you do campaign before your election. So let's see our options. We have crawl, work. Are they related? You crawl before you walk, right? That makes sense. Okay, let's see the other one. If there are others that make sense more than this. So we have run, stunt. Nah, it doesn't make sense. We have student, idle. No, students are never idle, just like you. They're always up and doing. Okay, that doesn't match. We have batch, we have maker. Nah, it doesn't make sense. So we are left with our option A, which is crawl and walk. You crawl before you walk. You do your campaign before an election. That makes sense, right? Yes, of course it does. Okay, number 7, we have teeth and we have brush. What do you do to your teeth? How do you wash your teeth? You use a brush. So now let's see something that is related. We have A, humble. We have pipe. Okay, brush, wash, teeth. No, okay. We have canoe. We have island. Okay, almost making sense. But let's see if something else makes more sense. We have pivot. We have area. No, we're talking about washing, care of the body. Okay, we have clothes. We have soap. Yes, that makes sense more than the others. So you use soap to wash your clothes, just like you use brush to wash your teeth. Do you understand? Good. So the other ones we have tree, forest, and the options under we have spoon, cutlery, and the options under we have cocoa and chocolate. I'm very positive that you can do that, right? All right, let's go on. Let's go on. Alright, this is gonna be very interesting because we are going to be picking out the odd word from the options. Okay, so now our example given here: A says rat, B lizard, C dog, D yam, E cow. Alright, now if you look at those options carefully, you find out that rat, lizard, dog, and cow, they are animals. But the underlying word there, yam, is a food. Do you understand that? So that is the odd word. So let's use that to answer our own question. 26 is A, butterfly, B, moth, C, grasshopper, D, cat, E, beetle. Now look at butterfly, an insect, a moth, an insect, grasshopper, an insect, cat is not an insect, is an animal, and E, beetle, is an insect. So the odd word here is cat because the others are insects and this one, option D, is not an insect. Do you understand? Good. So our answer is D, cat. So 27, we have purple, we have blue, we have pretty, we have yellow and red. Purple, blue, yellow, and red are colors, but pretty is a word, an adjective for that matter, that is used to describe something fine. Do you understand? So now the answer is pretty because it is not a color. So it's easy, right? See, that is why I said you're gonna enjoy this because it's so easy. Now we have 28, 29, and 30 to answer, right? All right, so let's go over to the next one. Choose from the alternatives the word that will complete the pairs. Now this is where we deal with homonyms. Do you understand? One word that has the same pronunciation and the same spellings but have two different meanings. So now let's see the example given. The word game has more than one meaning. One, it means something at which we play. Let's play a game. Do you understand? That's the first one. And also birds like pheasant and partridge. Do you understand? There's also a bird called game. So now, one word but two meanings. Do you understand? So right now, they are going to give us the two meanings and we are going to pick out the word which means same. Do you understand? Okay. Now, the meaning we are giving here, the first one is a weapon that fires bullets. Then the other meaning is to rob or plunder. So now, which of these options is a weapon? Let's start with that first. Option A, riddle, B, ruffle, C, rattle, D, rifle, E, rifle. Now, rifle is a weapon that fires bullets. Does it also mean to rob or plunder? Yes, it does. So our answer is D. Do you understand that? Good. Okay, now let's see number 37. To catch someone or something. The other one is a horse-drawn vehicle. Okay. So now, does trace mean to catch someone or something? No. Does trail mean to catch someone or something? No. Does trap mean to catch someone or something? Yes, it does. Does it also mean a horse-drawn vehicle? Yes, it does. Do you understand? Train, trade, but the answer is trap. To catch someone or something, you trapped it. And also a horse-drawn vehicle. So that is our answer. So we still have 38, 39, and 40. I know you can do that. Finally, we have choose which of the words lettered A to D that can be paired with the word in each question. If any word cannot be paired, circle E. Now we have option A, music, B, gun, C, costume, D, chalkboard. So now the 41 says teacher. So which of these options is related to teacher? We have music, no, gun, no, costume, no, chalkboard, yes. A teacher uses chalkboard. So 41 is D. Now let's see 42. A dancer. A dancer, music, dancer, yes. A music and dancer. That is correct. So 42 is our answer because the dancer is not related to a gun, neither a costume, nor a chalkboard. Okay, so let's quickly do 43 before we call it a day. We have farmer. Farmer music, no. Farmer gun, no. Costume, no. Chalkboard, no. So there's nothing related to farmer among the options. So we will circle E. Do you understand that? Good. So with this, you can answer number 44 and number 45. That will be all we can take for today. I really hope you enjoyed yourself. Bye and stay smart.